Well, this is my first day at Paintworks back. Well, that's a nice frame setup. Wow. Looks like it's freshly powder coated. Oh my God, does that thing come out nice? I knew it would anyway. Boy, that's beautiful. Wow. Coyote with a blower on it. Boy, they did a fantastic job on it. Oh, I like that red. Yeehaw. Oh man, is that thing mean. Look how deep the rear wheels are. And the fronts. Looks like they're doing the finishing touches on it. I can't get the, I'll ask them if I can open the door. Oh, look at this cab over there doing. Jeez, I can't believe how many projects they got going. Wow. Keep saying wow. He's got a lift for the cab. Move the cab up. Metallic. He said this is bloodwood. I didn't know what it was. I mean, that's the actual color of the wood?
No, it's got a candy on it.
Oh, it's got a candy red on it. Okay. Yeah, it isn't done yet. Oh, they got the seats come out nice. Is that? Boy, that's gorgeous. Oh, smell that leather. Yeah, it's going back to the upholsterer to be finished. Boy, that's beautiful. Look at this cab over. Boy, that's going to be nice when it's done. Look at this Firebird. Boy, it's got a beautiful paint job on it. Last time I saw this, it was rough. Boy, it's beautiful now. They did a lot while I was in Florida. Boy, that Super Bee's beautiful. I imagine there's the hood. This T-Bird. Boy, that come out nice. We got Model A. Looks like they're putting a quick change in it. Yep. It looks like they got a 9-inch for sale here, I imagine.
Especially in the summertime. This one and this one behind the...
Well, that's going to be gorgeous when it's done. they got cars going everywhere. Wow. That's got a lot of work that has to be done though. Working on a Judge. Another Buick. Boy, that color's beautiful. Of course, it ain't gonna come out for beans in the video. Here's the cab they were working on when I left. Boy, that's an improvement. Wow. Boy, they got a lot of projects. I heard rumors he's backed up for like 2.5 years, 3 years. I believe it. The Granite State boys, their cruise night's starting up pretty soon. That's coming out nice too. Paint job, beautiful. Boy, they do nice work here. This is going on, the cab's going on top of this that I just videoed. It's a 48 International?
Yep, KV1.
Yeah, he's gonna fire it up so I can hear it.
Yeah, those are sick. Yeah. Hindsight, I would have modified them. Oh, really? See,
boy, that wood is beautiful.
That's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. I go to a lot of car shows. It's pretty crazy. This is probably the nicest truck I've ever seen.
That song that's on the radio, I don't think it's copyrighted. Boy, that's neat. This is John Brouillard's latest. It's bone stock. Bone stock, nice.
recovery vehicle.
There's HIBs, hot rods, bobs. Here's Danny.
Uh-oh.
How you doing? Here's George's. Nice 5.1. Pony car.
Are you gonna go get something to drink or eat? Or you just gonna walk around?
Yeah, Danny's Pontiac come out nice. They did the interior themselves. Come out beautiful. Nice 2500. I brought the truck tonight to shake the cobwebs off it. Boy, this is a nice Barracuda. Boy, this thing is gorgeous. Nicer than stock. They want this nice on the showroom. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice Mustang. Boy, this thing's nice. Beautiful. Somebody did this over. Gorgeous. Boy, that's 64 straight, too. That thing's beautiful.
You have a good winter, Bill.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Made it through. Done. That is 64. It is gorgeous. So isn't that 68 next to it? This thing's beautiful too. I've always loved that body style. Here's Ivan's 32. This thing's for sale. It's for sale, Danny. There you go.
Mitch's lives across the street.
That it, Mitch. This belongs to Mitch. I didn't know that. He buys and sells. He's got a bunch of cars for sale. M&M Auto. He gets some nice stuff. That is a nice car. It's a pearl white. You can see the pearl in it, the red pearl. M&M 207-339-2195 603-765-8876. It's a nice one. Here's Jimmy's lead sled. 50 mark. Nice. He's had this for a while. Yeah, Hot Rod City's was having a big open house this Saturday, his yearly one, and it's been canceled because it's supposed to pour Saturday. Draws a lot of cars too. That's a nice Galaxy. 427. Nice Skylark.
So I got doing my own research online.
Super big. This thing's for sale. Boy, this thing's beautiful. Flawless.
They ain't put a price on it.
No price yet, huh? Toyota. With a Buick in it. Nailhead. It looks like a nailhead, yeah. Boy, that's nice. Here's Ted's old car. Boy, that thing still looks nice. Ted owned this for years. Nice Skylark. Skylark Custom. That's pretty.
I got out in '80 and I was on the active. Oh yeah. I was on the old 78.
That looks like a Ford.
I didn't put a green suit in quick. That was good. We were sniping with that thing.
Nice. I thought it was a Lincoln Zephyr, but it's a Continental.
I don't know what the difference was, to be honest with you.
I don't know. Yeah, this is Jimmy's. I didn't know this was his. Got a new engine in it, transmission rebuilt. Nice. This goes on a V12 flathead. Unbelievable.
And who do you think made those?
Paul Norman made this. He made that manifold. While the music stopped. Here's Alan's wagon, one of his many cars.
Lincoln V12.
Yeah, Lincoln V12. Yeah, he's still planning on going to Syracuse.
Yep.
As long as it shrinks it and gets rid of it. Oldsmobile. 98. Yep, Olds 98. And this nice Chevelle. Boy, this thing's gorgeous. Straight as an arrow. Blue on blue. Nice.